digital spaces remain safe, ethical, and credible for future generations. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. That was 10 minutes. I thought
9 minutes only.
it was short. Anyway, the next item of our agenda is the acknowledgements of the resource persons who are present today. Thank you for coming over. And the COMSEC is hereby directed to acknowledge those personalities. And to those who will not be acknowledged, please approach po yung ating mic and ask to be recognized by the chair. Thank you so much. COMSEC, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning again. The following resource persons are present from the Department of Information and Communications Technology, Undersecretary Jeffrey E.N.D., Ms. Christine Applepre, Ms. Michelle Pagalilawan, Mr. Renato Del Rosario, and Attorney Don Josef Tiansay. From the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center, Undersecretary Alexander K. Ramos, Attorney Alvin Navarro, and Ms. Christine Jane Flores. From the Department of Justice, Office of Cybercrime, Attorney Rodan Parocha. Secretary Ivan Uy. Apologies, sir. From the Department of Justice, Attorney Rodan Parocha of the DOJ Office of Cybercrime, with Head Agent Ina Marie Feliz Protasio Ladislao, and State Counsel Attorney Kirshen Bautista. From the National Bureau of Investigation, Attorney Van Homer Angluben. From the National Telecommunications Commission, Attorney Andres Castelar Jr. From the Philippine National Police, Police Brigadier General Bernard Yang of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, with Colonel Columbo Aberia of the ACG, Police Lieutenant Colonel Anacleto Daliva of the PNP Legal Service, Colonel Nova De Castro Aglipay, the Chief of the Legal Affairs Division of the ACG, and from the University of the Philippines, Associate Dean for the College of Media Communication, Dr. Rachel Ican. From the Center for Policy and Executive Development of the UP, Dr. Enrico Basilio. And Ms. Angela Chavez, also from CPED. Online, we have Attorney Michael Chu of the UP College of Law. And online, we also have Dr. Jonathan Corpus Ong of Global Digital Media and the University of Massachusetts in Amherst. From the Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas, Attorney Rudolph Holarbal. From Vera Files, Ms. Ellen Tordesillas, President and Co-Founder. Mr. Chair, from the social media personalities present that we invited 40 plus, sir, with us today are Attorney Rico Tomotorgo, Ms. Maria Lourdes Tiquia of Publicus Asia, and Mr. Mark Louis Gamboa. That's all, Your Honor, for now. Thank you.
Okay,
Additional resource person, sir, from Press 1, Mr. Felipe Ipe Salvosa, editor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, just a clarification from COMSEC. Out of the
Go ahead.
41 social media personalities, only 3 have attended.
Yes, Mr. Chair, some of them sent excuse letters
Okay.
via email.
yes, we have received of a different communication coming from the different resource persons, including the platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Google, and Facebook, Meta, Facebook, and to some personalities who have written us an excuse letter. They want to see or to acknowledge these excuse letters. Siguro isa-isa natin, no, para at least maging fair naman po doon sa mga resource persons who have attended while others have not. So ito po yung mga excuse na galing kay Crisette Chu. I think, this is reference to your invitation to joint inquiry. After careful consideration, I would like to respectfully turn down your invitation due to these following reasons. There are so many reasons, and maybe I'll be giving this to the members for their perusal afterwards para makita natin what action to be taken. Also from Aaron Peña, meron din po siyang excuse letter. Yes, Mr. kay Mark Anthony Lopez just received today. I think this is also an excuse letter. Kay June Abines, after having a discussion with my lawyers, I regret to inform you that I won't be attending the hearing today because the objective of the hearing is an attempt to curtail the people's right to expression. Okay, Richard Mata. Thank you for the invitation. I just received this yesterday. Just a day before the event, I consulted my lawyer and was advised not to attend. The late invitation plus the unclear purpose of the event. We support the freedom of speech. We also support it. From Elizabeth Joy Cruz. Same excuse. Meron din excuse. Kay Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles, I respectfully decline this invitation as I question the legality of the inquiry as well as the proposed legislation for being violative of the constitutional guarantee of free speech. From Ethel Garcia, decline as well. From Maui Spencer, out of the country. From Sean Wayne, long excuse. And sa TikTok, YouTube, and Meta. So, I think the members have to decide on the other members who have not given us any excuse letter for not attending on this resource person.
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Marcoleta and then Congressman Abante.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Judging from the title of the resolution before us, is it correct to assume that this hearing is only limited to social media platforms?
No, of course not.
Because the way I see it, it only addresses the problems, alleged problems encountered against bloggers.
No, Chairman, Congressman Marcoleta. That's the reason why we have invited as well the government agencies and also the academe and other media outlets who have parameters on.
But we have not invited members of the mainstream media, Mr. Chair.
We did. And that's the reason why we're asking for the excuse letter as well. Because a while ago, the COMSEC have acknowledged the persons of the resource persons who have been invited.
Did we invite, Mr. Chair, Philippine Inquirer and Philippine Star?
COMSEC, can you please reply to the query of the good gentleman from Sagi Party List?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Philippine Daily Inquirer was not invited, Mr. Chair.
How about other social media? How about some other major media outlets?
Philippine Star, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, KBP was invited, kapisanan ng mga broadcasters sa
And the president of the
Pilipinas.
KBP is here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did that satisfy the query of Congressman Marcoleta?
Because I think, Mr. Chair, even the social, not only the social media are supposed to be invited, but also the mainstream media. I am personally victimized by these two popular newspapers, broadsheets. May I cite a particular example just to dramatize, Mr. Chair?
Yeah,
Kaya importante lang sana, gusto ko rin silang marinig ko nandito.
you want
Just a point of order.
So what's the point of order?
We are still in checking all the invitations that was sent to all the invitees. At the same time, Mr. Chairman, some of those invitees are not present. And with regards to the query being made by Congressman Marcoleta, I do believe that he has basis for that. And since